Hey guys, welcome to Tycoon Talk. I'm Godfrey Bafi. In our last video, we discussed two of my top 10 reasons why I don't trade stocks or forex. Those two reasons were sleep/peace of mind and also circle of confidence. In this video, we're discussing the next two reasons why I don't trade stocks or forex, which are ownership is the name of the game and value. Let's get it. I'll much rather have businesses because generally speaking, businesses over the long term appreciate more than currencies or most forms of trading. What would you rather have? The euro, the dollar, the yen, or would you rather have all the businesses that accept all those forms of currencies as payment? No matter how much money you have or how much money you make, your money will always go back to businesses. Even if you decided to use your money for your own business, guess what? It's still going back to other businesses because just as much as everybody depend on your business, you also depend on other businesses in order for your business to succeed anyway. You can make 10 million trading or not, or make 10 million from your business, but it doesn't matter. Your money always go back to business because it is very expensive to live and to run a business. Let's run through some examples real quick. You've done really well for yourself. You've made a lot of money, whether through trading or through a job or a business, and you're very comfortable. So you buy yourself a house. Make sure you buy your mom and your dad a house because they put in a lot of sacrifice for you to be where you're at. So you took care of that. No matter what you want to say, somebody owns everything about that house. Somebody owns the roof. Somebody owns the building materials, the wood, the nails, the drywall, the paint, the utilities, the pipelines, every part of it, somebody owns it. Now you got an empty house. You're not just going to live in an empty house, and you definitely don't want your mom and pops living in an empty house. So now you got to fill it up. You got to rack them up. So now you got to worry about furniture, carpet, tables, TV, stands, decor. Now we talk about the kitchen stuff, appliances. We talk about fridge, microwave, stove, countertops, backsplash. I love to eat, so that's why I'm always talking about food. The dining table, more choppings. Now we go to the bedrooms. Mama sleep. You gotta have a bed. You gotta be comfortable. You gotta have sheets. You gotta have certain things, closets, clothes, all types of stuff. Moving on to the bathroom. Now you have your cleaning products, your hygiene products, your beauty products. You gotta have all of that, and which requires some more money and some more spending. And the thing is, those things run out, so you always got to replenish. So the house is all good. Now we talk about transportation. You buy a car or two or three, but guess what? Somebody owns the car parts, the paint, the seating, the tires, the gas that you're going to put in the car, the insurance. Somebody owns the insurance. Bruh. Let's say, another example. Oh, it's nice out. You want to treat your parents. You want to treat your family, your wife, yourself, whatever the case may be. You guys decided to take a flight and go somewhere. Guess what? Somebody owns the airlines, ticket system, the softwares, the bag that you're putting your clothes in to go with, the jet fuel for the plane, the seating on the plane, wherever you go to resort, somebody owns the resort, the food you're gonna eat there, where you're staying at, everything, the drinks is all owned. Even if you said, forget it, I'm not going to go nowhere, I'm just going to keep my money in the bank because it's better than it being under my mattress, somebody owns the bank. Now the bank is making money off your money, which is why I just buy businesses and I do nothing. The world depends on businesses. Our modern day survival is in the hands of all the businesses that we interact with, whether we're using their products or they're providing services for us. Businesses create jobs and opportunity for others to contribute and also take care of their families. Which leads us into the next reason why I don't trade stocks or forex. The fourth reason why I don't trade stocks or forex is because businesses have intrinsic value while currencies don't. They have assets such as intellectual property and also real estate, the buildings and the land that they actually own. In addition, they create products and services that we all depend on. Some of the companies that are actually very notorious for this is McDonald's, Amazon, and Disney. When it comes to value, the most important thing is to invest in yourself. Personal development accounts for around 80%, and financial development accounts for 20% of the process, as Dave Ramsey likes to say. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If everything that comes in goes back out, or more is going out than coming in, chances are you're not going to make it. Speaking of value, I've never seen a Chinese food commercial in my life, but these guys' business are always booming. I mean, they deliver no matter what's going on. Rain, tsunami, earthquake, don't matter. Nothing could stop them. A fun fact, I used to love Chinese food. I used to eat it about 3 to 4 times a week when I was back on campus. $5 for pork fries and chicken wings, but then I want delivery, so you got to get it to $10 minimum. And I used to get 5 cans of Sunkist so I can get $10 minimum. Good times. Stick around for part 3. Drop a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. As usual, stay safe, chop life, stay tycoon.